Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of everything, some cleaning, organizing, and decorating. And I have some really cute finds that I got from Walmart when it comes to Halloween. I am going to be listing those all below my description box, but also I do have a storefront that you can check out and kind of keep an eye out for everything that you are seeing on my channel. I also make sure to add really cute decor there. So if you're interested, just see the link below, and otherwise, let's get going. I have to admit, it is wild that we have now reached September. We are so close to the end of the year, and I'm not gonna lie, I am a little behind when it comes to my decluttering. But I do have a plan of how I want to tackle it this time around at the end of the year. We have birthdays, we have holidays, and so the plan really is to start with the boys' room, with their toys, with clothes they don't use anymore, and just kind of prepping everything, really. This year I wanted to have like a little cute coffee bar. And if you are new here, we recently moved and purchased a new home. So we're in the process of decorating everything. I saw this section here as a perfect opportunity to set up a coffee bar, and that is what I'm doing here. I think it's cute to have an area where I can decorate since I try not to like overdo it. I will decorate to some sections, and so I try to focus on the items of decorations that are going to be small and cute, but make an impact. And so I did find some of the cutest things that are literally under 10 bucks at Walmart. They had this cute little board here that you can change back and forth on some messages. I thought that was really nice for under $7. And they had so many different things. I was so excited for what they had. Then they have this cute little candy jar slash cookie jar, these little goes and mugs and stuff like that. Now, some of it I did get previously from like previous years. But whatever I do get this year, I will have linked below in the description box as well in my storefront. And as always, I just always like to be disclosing these things. Anything that you purchase from my links or my storefront, I do get a little small commission from it. So I always appreciate your support on that. But I will have that information down below in case you're looking to get some cute little decorations that are not going to break the bank. So I have been working extremely hard on making some really good habits when it comes to taking care of my home. If you follow me on Instagram, then you may already know that the focus really when it comes to the habits is making sure that I know what to do without having to process what I have to do. And if you're new to my channel, then you may not know this, but I do deal with anxiety, depression, and ADHD. And there are a number of hurdles that I face, and I'm sure other people too that deal with what I deal with when it comes to managing my home. And so lately, I've been trying to be more focused on what the habit is as opposed to the routine or the schedule. Because you may or may not know, but anybody who has ADHD really struggles with routine. We don't find it enjoyable. It is not as easy as it sounds, and it really becomes this incredibly difficult thing to follow. For me, the kitchen is one of the biggest things where I get so much anxiety if it becomes so messy that I can't see the counters. And so my focus here is really just creating the habit of picking up as I go throughout the day without having to create a full schedule or a full routine that I have to follow on a daily. The habit here is just making sure that my counters are clear and that the trash is thrown away and that I don't leave things behind as I go. So I just want to take this moment right now and thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Songmix, and they have this amazing bench that I have been utilizing for shoes. Now, unfortunately, because we were still in the process of moving, there's just so many boxes everywhere. But I am loving just how cute and how versatile this is. I have all of the boys just put their shoes back here. The system is amazing, and they have such a variety of different styles, colors, and designs. I will have the link below for you guys so you guys can check them out and have a link directly to their store. But this is just so easy to use and easy to clean, which is amazing. Now, our backyard, because this is a new build, is absolutely just dirt, and we are getting it ready for some turf installation, which is happening here in a couple days. I am so excited, and so are the boys. And as you can see, Bingo is also excited, but it is wild. And we also have this hillside, which I'm still trying to figure out what to do. I tried putting some plants there, but we have pretty hot weather here where we live. We reached 113 the other day, and it's just nothing surviving there. So I'm doing my absolute best just to kind of take it easy and figure that out. But for now, I am so excited and ready for the turf to be installed. Now, this area of the house absolutely needed so much help. This is our playroom slash schoolroom, but mostly schoolroom. And as you can see, it is chaos. Now, I'm really trying to work on a better way of just hiding this. I'm thinking of getting kind of like a TV console that has the doors where I can just put everything away rather than having it exposed. So for now, this is what we're going to do. There's just so much going on around the house that I'm trying to be more mindful of where I spend the money. We needed window coverings. We installed new flooring. We're doing the backyard. And so it has been a lot. And ultimately, I don't want to go and just like spend the money mindlessly. I want to make sure that it's being utilized the proper way. And this room is perfectly fine the way it is right now. And the boys are happy with it. So we are making it work. Now, the cleanup needs to be a little bit easier because it can be really daunting when it comes to that. And I want to make sure that the boys are able to do it on their own. So I need to come up with a better system where I can basically just give them the instructions of how to clean the area without having to be there monitoring everything. Now, when it comes to the laundry, I have been doing my absolute best to just kind of stay on top of the laundry room. My husband has been so sweet to take over that whole responsibility. So he's in charge of doing laundry, which has been so nice. But I do want to make sure that the laundry room remains clean and ready to go. Now, this is our main bathroom, and our boys come in here and they enjoy the bath, but it is getting wild. And so I need to get better again at another system where I can just put everything away. I'm not going to lie, I'm really bad about putting stuff away as I'm washing up. So we're definitely going to get better about that and continue to make more plans and more ways to manage this. And I hope you guys enjoy this. And until next time, bye.